Can someone be intelligent without knowing English? Or can farmer, a businessman, or a scientist be called uneducated just because they don't know English language? So in this video we are going to talk about a controversial question that as English become a blessing, our society turned it into a curse. Let's improve together. Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are doing great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you all are doing great and working hard for your future. So my friends, in this video we are going to talk about the pros and cons of English language. Because English language is a widely spoken language, it can impact someone's future opportunities in one street. So let's get started. Let's talk about cons. Here is point 1. Judging intelligence. Yes, this is the biggest problem in our society, that people judged by English language. Imagine if a skilled farmer feeds thousands of people and a mechanic can repair any of the engine. So if they don't know English, we will say them uneducated? Of course not. So English is a language. We cannot judge intelligence by English language. Let's move to the second point. Wasting time. Yes, I shouldn't talk, but I will say that learning English is wasting our time. From our KG to our 12th classes, we are spending our time just on grammar. We memorize rules, we try to speak, but still we cannot speak English language. This is another term, but I can say that we gave a lot of time to memorizing rules. Let's move to the third and last con. Here is the biggest problem related to English language, that students education judged by English language. Yeah, we can say the competitive exams or many of the other exams on the basis of English language. In the interviews, if our English is not good, we are failed. If our essay is not good, we are failed. We judged our knowledge judged by just English language. Yeah, it's a skill. Language is a skill and it's a way to connect you with the others. This is the language, but we make it a biggest obstacle for the students who don't know English language. Let's move to the pros of English language. The first point is English opens door. Yes, English creates more opportunities. In the most of the international universities or other places, we can get much more opportunities related to our education. We can go for education into the other countries because of English language. That's why English is most important to go into the foreign countries to learn and get education and get much more opportunities. Let's move to the second point. The second point is connecting with the world. Yes, imagine that a person meet with you from Japan or Brazil or Australia. Then if you don't know their native language, but you both can communicate in the English language. You can communicate with each other to listen each other. So this way we can communicate with the people and make our connections all around the world. Let's move to the third point. If you know English language, you can get much more knowledge. Internet is full of valuable knowledge. If you know English language, you can get most of the knowledges. Like if you know English language, you can read the English books and get much more benefits. You can talk to the foreigner students and get much more education. You can talk to the other professor all around the world and you can easily get involved into the foreigners. So the question is this: English is a curse? Absolutely not, because English creates opportunities, and the problem is, the curse is that society judge people by their language they speak. It gives us much more opportunities. That's why English is not a curse, but our society is making it a curse with the judging the people judging the intelligence by the language. So my friends, if you found this video helpful, please share and subscribe. So don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you. Take care of yourself.